I'm about to tell you exactly what you need in order to start your own online business. Trust me, it's really not that complicated. The first thing you need to know is who you're going to help. Because at the end of the day, every business is an answer to a problem. It's a solution to a problem. Okay, so who are you going to help? What problem do they have? And what is the solution that you're going to provide to these people? So get clear on your ideal client, so the person that you're serving, who are they? What kind of problem do they have, and how are you going to solve that problem? In other words, what is the offer? What is your solution that you're going to package based on your expertise, based on the things that you already know. You already know the solution of these things. You're not going to have to go back to school, get a certification, get degrees and all of that in order to help these people. These are solutions that you already have right here. You've done it for yourself, for other people maybe, but you already know the solution. Okay, so you're going to help these new people and they're going to pay you for that. Okay, so you know who you're helping, you know how you're going to help them, but now the problem is that they don't know about you yet. Okay, they know they have this problem, but they don't know that you have the solution. So to bridge the gap between you and them is that you have to show up online. You have to show up on preferably a social media platform. It's just an easy way to do it. You could also do it in person, but because we're talking about an online business, we want to be able to do everything 100% online. Okay, so what social media platform are you going to choose? My preferred one, the one I started with, was Facebook. Now things have changed a little bit, but my preferred one right now is right here, YouTube. Okay, so you can call it a social media platform or not, but the point is that you have to show up somewhere online. So pick one platform of your choice. It could be LinkedIn, it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, it could be TikTok, it could be YouTube. I prefer YouTube. Pick the one you're most comfortable with. And just one. You don't have to be everywhere right now. You just need to be in one place and share value, share tips, share ideas, share things, mini solutions, okay? Because people cannot handle the whole solution in just one video. So you are breaking down the whole solution in little parts, in little videos here and there. And your paid offer, the paid solution, is basically a combination of all that you're preaching out there, all the tips, all the ideas that you bring down under one framework that is yours in the way that you like to help people, and that's your paid offer. So there's no real big difference between the free and paid content other than order, organization, and a pathway. Okay, all the content that I'm putting out there for free on YouTube, well, technically they can help you with your problem. But if you want the whole process step by step, you're going to have to get a hand on my paid product. So whether you want to do it in a group setting, join my Freedom Business Academy membership. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. If you want to do it one-on-one and in a faster way, I invite you to apply for a VIP day with me. Okay, so there are different ways you can have all of this packaged, but that will be a paid offer. So your paid offer, what is it going to include? The whole solution for your ideal client, for that person who needs your help. And lastly, you need a way to get paid, okay? We're doing everything online. They're not giving you cash in hand. They're going to pay online so that you can deliver that service, so that you can either deliver service as in person, maybe through Zoom, or you're going to give them a digital product, okay? If you want a list of 21 different ways you can get paid, make money online with a business, I have a free resource for you in the description of this video, okay? So whether you want to do one-on-ones, whether you want to do workshops, whether you want to work in groups, VIP days, it's all in the 21 ways to make money with an online business. So get your hands on that resource in the description of this video as well, okay? So that's what you have to do. Find a way to link your service or your digital product that you're giving them in exchange for their payment. You can use a platform like Gumroad for free, where you can host your digital product, or where they can book a call with you to have that Zoom interaction. Or you can just, if you're just doing one-on-ones, for example, you can just go directly with Calendly, for example, where they would book a time to talk to you and they will pay on Calendly as well. And then obviously you link Gumroad or Calendly to your bank account, and that's how you're getting paid. Okay, so make sure that you use if you're just starting out, I would say start with free as much as possible. Obviously, Zoom If you're doing more than 40 minutes with a client, you will need to upgrade. So that will have to be paid. If you're using Calendly and receiving payment on Calendly, you will have to upgrade your plan as well. So not everything is going to be free, but just understand that you don't have to go all the way to using Kajabi, for example, and paying $200 a month if you're not making any money in your business yet. Okay, so you can start with Gumroad, and then as you grow, as you have more clients, have that money that you're making pay for these platforms. Okay, so that's really all you need to do. You have a person, you have an offer, solution, and you have a way for them to know what you do, what you're about, to know that you're the solution. You have the solution. So being on social media. And 4 is a way for them to be like, oh, I want this. I want to get that resource. I want to work with them. That's how they're going to pay you. Having that on a platform that's linked to your bank account and that's linked to the resource that you're giving them, whether it's time with you or it's a PDF or a video or a masterclass or anything like that. And having those 4 in place for you, that's something that you can set up as early as today. In one day, you can set it up, granted that you are clear about your ideal client and your offer. If you have that already set up, you can have the whole thing set up today. But if not, then you will need more time to figure out your ideal client, to figure out your offer. If that's the case, I want you to pay attention to the next video right here that I'm going to link, where I tell you more about what type of offer you can offer as an online business provider. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss any of my other videos where I tell you more about how to grow your online business in order to fund your move abroad and your lifestyle abroad. All right, until next time, bye.